Hi, Imran from Car Sound Security in East London here. Just installed a Ghost 2 on this BMW M2 2016. Let me give you a demonstration how it works. So, another push button start vehicle. Just close the door. There's your push button start. Let's just put my foot on the brake and try to start the car. Vehicle's mobilised, won't start because the Ghost 2 is preventing it from starting. So let me show you how it works. We've set up a demonstration code. So turn your ignition lights on. We've got it as P on here 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Indicators would be the engine management light flash twice. Put my foot on the brake, press the start button, and you're good to go. If you're interested in getting a Ghost 2 installed on your vehicle, feel free to give us a call on 0208 554 554. Thanks for watching. Bye.